Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate and search for reports on the Mintel resource. There are a lot of reports that you can find on Mintel. To make sure that you can access the relevant materials that you require, on the menu tab on the middle of the screen, just click on the region option. And from the list of options in the drop-down menu, just select Ireland and UK. You will now notice that the list of reports underneath will have changed automatically. If you click on all content types from the drop-down menu, you will see you can change it to either reports, industry trends, expert insights, and news. Next to that, you have the sort by option. Here, you can rearrange your results by recency, newest first, and relevance. If you go into content types, and from the list of options in the drop-down menu, just click on reports. And in the results section, if you click on Consumer Snacking Habits Ireland 2022, you'll be taken to the following page where you'll be given a brief description at the top of the page with the analyst that done the report being credited on the right side of the screen. Also on the right side of the screen, you will find the report timeline, which will refer you to previous reports in relation to what you are reading. If you scroll down to the report content section, you can read particular sections of that report. For example, in the overview section, if you click on the executive summary option, you'll be taken to the following page highlighting the food prices increase in the UK and Ireland for that year, as well as offer details. If you go back to the top of the page, you will find the download section. Here you can download the report in various formats, from PDF to Excel, and finally PDF.